Alright, let's talk Acorn. You know, that streaming service packed with British dramas, mysteries, and documentaries? It's a treasure trove for anyone who loves a good story with a British accent. But here's the burning question: how many people can actually enjoy this treasure trove at the same time? Now, you might think this is a simple question with a straightforward answer. But trust me, it's not. Acorn, like many streaming services, has its own set of rules when it comes to sharing accounts. And these rules can be a bit of a maze. So, let's dive in. First things first, what does Acorn actually say about account sharing? We'll need to look at their terms of service, their FAQ page, and maybe even dig into some fine print. It's detective work, but it's important. But wait, there's more. Just because Acorn says one thing, doesn't mean it's always enforced. We need to explore the real-world experiences of Acorn users. How many people are actually sharing accounts? Are they getting caught? What happens when they do? To get a better picture, we'll need to look at the bigger picture. How do other streaming services handle account sharing? Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, they all have their own rules. By comparing Acorn to these giants, we can see where Acorn stands. But let's not stop there. There's a legal side to this story too. Copyright laws, digital rights management, these are all factors that influence how many people can share an Acorn account. It's like a legal thriller, but with less drama and more legalese. So, we've got the official rules, the real-world experiences, the industry standards, and the legal framework. It's a lot to unpack, right? But stick with me. Because at the end of this journey, you'll have a clear understanding of how many people can actually use your Acorn account. And hey, while we're at it, let's talk about some ethical considerations. Is sharing an account really fair to the creators of these shows? What impact does it have on the streaming industry? These are questions we need to ask ourselves. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground. Let's recap. We've looked at Acorn's official stance, real-world experiences, industry practices, and even the legal side of things. We've also touched on the ethical implications of account sharing. So, how many users can actually use Acorn? Well, the answer isn't as simple as we hoped. It depends on a number of factors, including Acorn-specific rules, enforcement practices, and your own willingness to take risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.